Hey guys, so para dun sa mga nagtatanong for the weekly tournament without verification, KYC, etc. So may mga nagtatanong sa atin nito kaya share ko lang itong isa sa mga na-discover natin. So meron sila ditong weekly tournament. You can explore naman this one guys, no? So discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today, no? Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin. Turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no. So ito weekly trading competition ito. Ayan. So you can check this one guys, no. Yung pinaka-official link nito para mapuntahan nyo is that nasa description naman ng video na ito. So you just need to register lang. And then pagkatapos niyan, you need to create an account. Hindi mo kailangan dito guys na magpa-verify, no. You can explore this one, and then after that may mga pinaka-reward dito. Like for example, for the first winner, so merong 2,500. Second winner is nasa 1,800. Yung pinaka-third place is nasa 1,200. And hanggang, ayun, halos top 100 ay meron guys, no, na makukuha 16 USDT. So you can explore this one. You can check yung pinaka-mechanics nasa baba. Yan, meron tayong pinaka-accumulated volume. PNL natin is eto. So makikita niyo ito guys, no. Meron ako dito makukuha na I think plus 16-20 USDT. So nasa rank 88 tayo. Since kakatapos lang nung crypto esports, doon tayo nakapag-focus. Ito ay chine-check ko lang din. And dito nga guys, no, up to 100 plays. So 8% share yung makakuha if you want to compete dito. And you can explore this one guys, no. Yung rules makikita naman natin dito. As we can see, kailangan mo lang mag-rank 100 and you can just register if you are interested dito. Again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. I just want to share this experience, especially masagot ko yung mga questions, feedbacks dito guys. So para sa mga nagtatanong, ano yung mga may tournaments, competition weekly. So ito, you can check this one sa pinaka-description lang ng video na ito guys, no? So meron tayong mga ongoing dito. Like for example, this one, we have some short positions. And ito, isa din sa mga self-development, I would say, dahil if you don't have some experience, you can also check neto dito and to gain some experience. But then again, risk management, dapat maintindihan nyo yung pinaka-risk and reward para mas magkaroon kayo dito guys ng informed decisions, no? Trading is very volatile and risky if you don't understand, no? So please be mindful for that. So yun guys, no, you can explore these weekly tournaments na merong prize pool. And right now, top 88 tayo. And I just want to share this one lang guys, no. Meron pa dito mga tournaments dito sa taas. Ayan, that you can check, no, itong Trade King Showdown. So nakapag-register na rin ako dito. Ayan, so you can explore naman this one guys if you are interested. So yung pinaka ROI natin, and yeah, ang daming mga tournaments dito. Ultra Trading Arena, so 700k in USDT naman yung pinaka prize pool dyan. And itong isang to is weekly guys, no. So you can explore this one guys if you are interested. And yung pinaka-official link naman is nakalagay sa description ng video na ito. And yeah, feel free to comment kung meron pa kayong mga questions. Sana nasagot ko yung mga katanungan nyo dito, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong regarding weekly tournaments and ano pa yung mga ongoing tournaments online dito guys, no. So yun lang for today guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.